Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transition effect in Filmora 11, and I will also show you how to edit your transition. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so now I'm inside Filmora 11, and this is my example timeline. It is just a normal blog from my Vietnamese channel. Okay, so supposing that I have two clips here on the timeline, and this is the transition that I added between clips. It is a digital transition. So let's play it. Very nice, right? So what if I want to add transition effect between this clip on the timeline? So all I need to do is to go to the transition tab right here. All right, so now you have many subfolder and many different kind of transition effect that you can apply to your video. But first thing first, if you see the transition like this, you need to download this one first. You can right click at the transition and then select download now. And this is one way to download the transition effect, and another way is to double click at the transition effect to download it. Once the transition effect is downloaded, it will be in your download folder. So if you want to find the transition that you already downloaded to your computer, you can go to this downloads folder. Okay, for beginners, you may want to select the recommended folder, and then you want to search for the transition effect that you want to use for your video. For example, here, if I want to add a dissolve transition effect, all I need to do is to search here, dissolve, and press enter. Okay, and you will see the dissolve transition here. You want to drag and drop it here between clips. Okay, and now you have just added dissolve transition effect between clips. Very nice, right? And if you want to extend the duration of the transition or change the type of the transition, you want to double click at the transition effect on the timeline. Just double click here, and then you want to change the duration here. For example, this is 1 second. You want to change it to 2 seconds, and you want to change it to different types. So just prefix. It will affect the first clip more than the second clip, or you want to select postfix and it will affect the second clip more than the first clip. And normally we will select this one overlap, meaning that it will affect both clips at the same time. Okay, just double click here to change it to overlap, and let's click OK to go back to our timeline. It's easy, right? Very nice. And you can also extend or shorten the duration of the transition effect directly on the timeline. Just click here at the edge of the transition and drag it to the right to extend it, or shorten it by drag it to the left. So just like this, and we can preview it. But we cannot see the transition because now the timeline is not rendered. So we are going to hit this one, the render preview button. Okay, just to have you preview your timeline smoothly. And let's play it now. Very nice. Alright, so that is how to add transition effect between clips in Filmora 11. And being mentioned that you can also add the transition effect at the beginning of the clip or at the end of the clip. Just drag and drop your transition effect at the beginning or at the end of the clip, or between two clips on the timeline. Alright, so that's everything you want to know in this tutorial. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the tutorial, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.